Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing Xiaomi Redmi 14C versus Xiaomi Poco C71. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphone. Software, operating system, user interface, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, frame, waterproof, display brightens, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, network, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera, video, sound, loudspeaker, .5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, smartphone's price, final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.